everybody, welcome to Pafford Homestead. Welcome to our kitchen. Today Autumn and I are in the kitchen and we are going to be making pull apart pizza bread. Sounds really good, doesn't it? Today you're going to need 1 stick of melted butter, 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese, pizza sauce, pepperonis, and what we have here is 6 ounces of pepperoni, and 2 any variety biscuits you want. These biscuits have 10 each, so we're doing 20 biscuits for this. You also need Italian seasoning, garlic powder for your seasonings. You need a bundt pan, a bowl to mix, and of course your spray to spray your pan with. So we're going to start off with cutting up the ingredients, and we're going to do this really easy. Give me just a second to grab something. Okay, I had to get my pizza roller because we're going to take these biscuits and we're going to cut them in 4s, okay?
Okay. Hold up.
Let me cut them up first, okay? Then I'm going to let you put them all in the bowls, okay?
Okay.
So we're cutting the biscuits up in 4s. And then we're going to take and we're going to place them in our mixing bowl. And I don't know about you, but I have a phobia to canned biscuits. I don't know, I've been that way since I was little with opening them. So I went on ahead and opened these before I started filming. And well, this one I did, and then I was like, you know what? People need to see this because it is funny. Because it takes me forever just to open a can of biscuits. And I don't know why. I never had one explode on me or anything.
You ready?
Okay. Not yet, baby.
I hold them.
Yeah, you hold them.
There's one.
Yeah. So y'all can laugh all you want. Autumn, baby, not yet. Mommy's got to finish cutting them up.
You finish that up?
Yep.
Done.
So if y'all having a phobia to that, let me know I'm not the only person in the world that has this phobia. Because it is, as you can see, it was pretty for me.
You ready?
Not yet. Not yet. Let Mommy finish cutting them, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Mommy got finished cutting them. And like I said, you just cut them in 4s. So I'm taking 2 biscuits at a time and I'm cutting them. And then I'll break them up when I'm done. And actually, that's going to be Autumn's job. I'm going to show her how to do it. And right now, Charlie and our nephew-in-law is hooking up the new internet that we're getting. Yay! We're finally going to be able to have good internet.
I hold them. I hold it.
Yeah, you hold it.
You hold it, please.
Yep, you hold it. Okay, so now what we're going to do, look, you can take and break them apart and just throw them in the bowl, okay?
Okay.
No, you have to break them apart. You have to pull them apart. Okay, I'll pull them apart. You throw them in a bowl. How about that?
Okay.
Now, you want to try and break one apart?
Yeah.
Break that one apart. Break that one apart. And throw it in the bowl. Throw it in the bowl. Here's you another one. Break it apart. Good job, Autumn.
No, Mommy. We need to cut it.
No, you have to break them apart. Good job, Autumn. Oh, bless you. Luckily, it's just us eating. Break it apart. And I'll show you what it looks like in the bowl as soon as we're done. Break that one apart.
Did you?
Thank you. Thank you to my little helper.
Thanks.
Break that one apart. That's the last one. Okay. So you're just going to have them like that in the bowl. Okay? That's all you're going to do is just put it like that in the bowl. Now, I have my melted butter, and what this is 1 stick of unsalted butter. Okay? Hang on, honey. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
I want to try.
Hang on, honey. I'm going to let you pour this.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Okay, what you're going to do, we're going to pour it in here. You're going to pour it in here. You're going to sprinkle it. Just sprinkle. Sprinkle. And she just dumps. Ain't that so cute? Okay, so that's your garlic powder. Now we're going to do the Italian seasoning, and it's 1.5 tablespoons.
Hey, yeah, hold it.
Hang on.
Hold it. We're going to get 1 cup. We're going to get big cup.
Okay, dump that in. Good job, Autumn. Now let's do a half.
That's really hot.
Good job, Autumn.
I'm going to try.
You are. Okay, dump that in. And that's a half. Okay, so once that's in there, look, Autumn, I want you to mix it. Can you do that?
Okay.
Okay, let's stand up and do that. That's okay, we're done with it. Okay, stand up. Mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it all up. Good job, Autumn. So next we're going to take the 1 stick of butter and we're going to pour it all over. Hang on, honey. Let Mommy pour a little bit. Let Mommy pour a little bit first. Okay?
Okay.
Then you can pour it. Okay, you pour it on. Good job. So now we're going to mix again. We're going to mix, 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 mix. Come on, get your hands in here. Help Mommy. Mix, 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 mix.
I'm done here.
You're done?
Yeah.
Make sure that all of your pieces are coated, because if you don't, it's not going to look right. And it's not going to have the flavor right. So, okay. We've got it all mixed together. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open the cheese and add the cheese.
I want to try.
Hang on. You need to wipe your hands? Okay, wipe your hands. So I'm going to take, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm going to take and open the cheese, which my hands have butter all over them. So, of course, it's not going to open right. So, since we're using the whole pack, I'm going to go ahead and just cut it open. And I want you to pour the cheese in. Take and pour the whole bag. Take the whole bag and put the whole bag in there. Can you put the whole bag in there?
Okay.
Good job, Autumn.
Thanks.
Put it all in there. There you go. Good job. And it's gonna look like a lot of cheese, but actually it's really not. But you need the 2 cups of mozzarella and the 6 ounces of the Parmesan for it to really turn out really good and cheesy. Okay, put that all in there. Good job. Good job, Autumn. So now we're gonna take and we're gonna mix this around. Take and mix it all up really good, Autumn. Can you do that for Mommy?
I'm running down here.
It's okay. It's okay if a little bit comes down. Mix it all up really, really good. Break it up. Come on, get in here. Do this. You're supposed to be helping me.
Okay.
Yeah, get all up in there. What's wrong? You don't like it?
No.
Why?
I can't catch it.
You can't catch it. You're not supposed to catch it. Just make sure all of your biscuits are really good and coated. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut open the pepperoni and put the pepperonis in there.
Thanks. I'm gonna try.
I know you do. That's your favorite.
Yeah.
Autumn's favorite is the pepperoni.
I want to try.
Okay, hang on. Put those pepperonis in. Put those pepperonis in.
Alright.
Let's break them up. Let's move them all over. There you go. Oh, thank you. Okay, now once you have the pepperonis in, you can do it again. You're gonna get your hands all down in there, get them all messy, make sure all the pepperonis are not stuck together, and make sure Autumn eats a few pepperonis before. She loves pepperonis. But you're gonna mix, 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 huh? You're gonna mix, mix, mix. Mix those pepperonis all in there. And it don't matter if they get stuck with everything because they're just gonna be in there, right?
Right.
Yeah. So I have my oven preheated. Can y'all tell I'm hungry? To 350 degrees. Yeah. So I'm gonna show this to y'all before I go to the next step. I think she's gonna eat all of my pepperonis though. Okay, let me rinse off my hands again. And dry them off. Then I'm gonna take the bundt pan, spray it down. You wanna spray it down really good so this doesn't stick, okay? But let me show y'all what this looks like now. Now, all of this is gonna go into this bundt pan. So, and it doesn't matter how you put it in. You're gonna stick it all down in there. Yum, 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 yum. And you can even cram it so you have room for everything. Why? Because it's a pull apart.
Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
A pepperoni.
Oh, you dropped a pepperoni? Well, you're going to have to wait for that pepperoni. Yeah, get this last pepperoni right there, out the bowl.
Now, I it.
It was not on the floor, y'all. It was on her little step stool.
Ow!
Okay, so I got it all in. Let's move the bowl out of the way. Rinse my hands again. So now, this is ready for the oven, y'all. See how quick and easy that was? It did not take no time at all to prepare. And if you have little ones in your house, this is a great thing for both of y'all to get into the kitchen and do together. So, without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like. Look at this. So now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for only 35 minutes. Yeah, you heard me right. 35 minutes. That's all this is gonna take. So let's get that in the oven. Let's get to 35 minutes and we'll be back with the taste test, okay? Okay, everyone, it's been 35 minutes and I'm back in the kitchen. Just took this beauty out. Take a look at that, y'all. I just took it out. So it needs to sit for at least 5 minutes to cool off just a little bit so we can get it out of the pan. No, stay back, baby. This part's hot. So I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna take and put it upside down on a plate and then we're gonna come back for the taste test. See you in 5. Okay, y'all, we took it out the oven and I put the dipping sauce right here. I had warmed it up. So now all we're gonna do is just do a taste test. Okay, so we are back here for the taste test. Autumn has already been tasting it. She couldn't wait for Daddy to get in here. So she already tasted it. So all you have to do is just pinch you a piece off. Look at how that looks.
What?
Here you go, baby. Let me give you one. There's Autumn. Dip it in the marinara sauce, and I took the marinara sauce and I warmed it up on the stove. Mmm.
I'm hungry. It's good. Or does that count?
Y'all, for a quick and easy snack dinner, as it is for us, it took what? A whole 45 minutes to an hour to make, if that. It wouldn't have taken that long if I wasn't doing a video, but that's okay.
Yeah.
So, this is another recipe from Pafford Homestead
Check it out there.
in the kitchen
Give us a
with
thumbs up.
Brandy and Autumn. My little helper, my awesome little helper here, y'all.
We got internet, new internet. I gotta go do a speed test, so bye y'all.
So make sure you like, share, subscribe, look for the next video because there will be more out. And by the way, y'all, Happy New Year's Eve.
Happy New Year.
It is New Year's Eve, y'all, and we are in the kitchen because we're staying home. That's the best way to do it. Stay at home, love your family. Bye, y'all.